With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, have a look at the question. Question is XNA is a laboratory made nucleic acid made up of nucleotides in which one component has been replaced by chemical X. Chemical X is not found in nature. Which part of the molecule responsible for coding is not changed? Which organic component, the part of molecule responsible for coding is not changed? Which organic component of DNA or RNA nucleotide has been replaced by X? Options given are purine base, phosphate group, 5-carbon sugar, pyrimidine base. So if we'll see XNA, it is a synthetic nucleoacid analogues. It is being also known as, full form is xenonucleic acid. Xeno means strange nucleic acid. Xenonucleic acid, alien nucleic acid, strange nucleic acid, it can be termed in any way. These XNA, it is a synthetic nucleic acid analog. Synthetic nucleic acid analog means these are structurally and functionally these are similar to nucleic acid, but they are structurally there is small change. If we see the normal nucleotide or normal nucleic acid, it is made up of 3 basic components, that is nitrogenous base. It is formed of nitrogenous base. Then nitrogenous base, it could be purine and pyrimidines. Purines and nitrogenous base, it could be purine and pyrimidines. Second is the it contains the sugar. Sugar is again ribose, it could be ribose. Its second component of nucleic acid is sugar. Here we can write first is it. Sugar could be, it is a pentose sugar, it could be ribose, it could be D-ribose, and third component it contains is, that is the phosphate molecule. So in natural nucleic acid, these 3 are the component. These are component of nucleic acid, that is we can say that the natural nucleic acid. Now if we'll talk about the xenonucleic acids, here it is analog to that, but there are certain changes. First is nitrogenous base. Here also nitrogenous base is being remained, same nitrogenous base, it contains same purine, pyrimidine, that is completely same, purine as well as pyrimidine. Second thing, it contains sugar, or it also contains sugar, but here it contains artificial or synthetic sugar. This is not the sugar that is exist in natural nucleic acid, that is deoxyribose or ribose sugar. It contains different kinds of sugar. So different sugars are the threose, glycols, all these different types of sugar analogues, they have been changes. It has been replaced, this sugar molecule. Here we can say that sugar molecule in synthetic nucleic acid or XNA, it has been replaced. And third, it contains phosphate molecule similar to the natural one. So change here is the sugar which is being replaced. Why this XNA is being formed? XNA, these are latest discovery. These are formed because their coding genome sequence retain as such, but when they enter into system, DNA polymerase will not multiply it. So in this way, these are very effective in drug delivering, in a successful drug delivering. So here in the question, they have simply asked which organic component of DNA, RNA nucleotide has been replaced by purine base, incorrect, phosphate, incorrect, 5-carbon sugar, this is correct, pyrimidine base, this is incorrect. Option C is correct. Hope you get it. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.